This is my $7 dress today. I got a giant tiger. I buy myself a dress every year. That was so cute. I feel cute in it. $7. Well, I cooked up a full chicken. I picked it up this morning for $4.41 at the grocery store. I put some of this Powerball Greek seasoning mix on top. Put a little bit of water in the bottom. And I put it in the oven for 2 hours at 425. Yeah, it takes quite some time to actually cook with this stupid stove. Like, it's a nice stove, but MoFat, you have to put it at high temperature for things to cook properly. Like, I'm never going to get a stove like this again. It was good for when we needed it. It cost about $700 when I bought it. So, but anyways, that's what I'm making today is a full chicken. Because I'm going to pull it apart and make some chicken sandwiches for tomorrow. Because I don't feel like cooking tomorrow. Today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, so I'm going to be doing some things around the yard again. And yeah, nice easy day. Okay, so there we go. We got the chicken ready for tomorrow. I got chicken wing for Jay right there. So he likes his chicken wing. So I have enough for about maybe 4 or 5 sandwiches. And I bought 4 buns. No, sorry, it's 8 buns for $2.50. So it's going to cost me about $4.44. So it's going to cost about $6 for 4 sandwiches. Now that's a great price. Great price. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I actually transfer my broth into a bag, because I'm going to be freezing it. Just put it in a mug or a glass that's tall enough, depending on how much you have. I don't have very much, so. Over the sides. I'm just going to pour it all in there. Like that. Chunks and all, so I'll have some nice couple chunks of chicken in there. And that's it. This way it doesn't get around the rim or anything. And now I'm going to freeze it. And there we go. So I usually put it flat like that inside of my freezer. So this way it's space keeper or space saver. There we go. So it's a space saver that way. Chicken broth for my soup. Just eat your food. Watch her little routine. She grabs her food. She gets really hot. And then she goes here. And she lays down and eats like a queen. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh. How you doing, Mama? Are you hot? Why don't you drink some of that cool water in the bowl over there? Yeah, drink some water. No, you want some food? Just take the food out of maybe the sun, eh? So freaking cute. Look at you go. Poor girl. She's so hot. She wants a snack. She's hungry, eh? She's still feeding her babies. She's still got nipples. We'll lay down again. Well, get out of the sun, silly. Silly girl, get out of the sun. Yeah, I'll have to put her bowl somewhere else out of the sun.